All right, 1998 GMC Jimmy with a Bendpak MD6XP scissor lift. Sometimes people ask if you can do an exhaust. On this one, you can. Even though it sits in the middle of the lift with the truck mounts, you're actually able to do the exhaust. Got plenty of room over here. 3 bolts right there that we had to cut off because it was rusty. Comes across. New clamp that comes with the muffler. Exhaust pipe right to the rear tailpipe mount. Not bad. You have to twist your body in there a little bit just to get in between these 2 posts to get in there. And you can reach in through the side also, if that helps. All right. Yeah, some exhaust can be done. Just got to use the truck adapters. Ciao.